Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. This video's topic is pocket recognition. Pocket recognition toolpath is a recognition version of our pocketing toolpath. Essentially, it is the next step up of the pocketing toolpath. So let's go into it and see how that works. So I'm going to go to Add Milling Operation, Pocket Recognition. The workflow is the same as our regular pocketing toolpath. You can see we have everything on the left side here. I'll just go into New Geometry. The geometry selection inside the pocket recognition is a little different. We're not actually choosing pockets or contours that we want to machine. We're going to choose the solid. Now I'm choosing the solid so it analyzes all the faces that are perpendicular to my z-axis being my tool axis. But I could have actually chosen faces, or I could have chosen some chains as well. You can see that it analyzed the part and found all those faces that I would like to machine using pocketing. So that skips over having to choose chains, multiple faces, and so forth. If there was anything in there I didn't want, I can go to Modify, and I can just uncheck those boxes. If I wanted to exclude the top face completely, I can check this box right here. So even though it's a recognition, even though it's already grabbing everything for me, I still have control over what it's actually doing. From this point forward, it's essentially the same as a pocketing toolpath. I'll just choose my tool, my levels. I can say top of stock. It automatically doesn't have a lower level. I can tell it to basically do every pocket it finds up until this point here. It could ignore that pocket there, or I could just say no lower level, and it'll just machine all the pockets, all the through pockets it finds. This is useful if you have a through pocket that goes through an entire part. That's a very deep pocket. You don't necessarily want to do it the complete pocket. You want to stop at a certain level. So again, lower level for that purpose. Adaptive step down allows me to machine any pockets or bosses that are on this part that fall in between my step down listed here. Technology is the same as the pocketing toolpath. So we have contour, we have hatch plus finish. Open pocket strategy, I'll say approach from outside. Let me just do a save and calculate on this. And you'll see that you have a standard pocketing toolpath applied to all the separate pockets. We take a look at this in Solid Verify. You can see that we've done the entire part. Now, let's say this half-inch tool I'm using did all those things. Now I want to do a rest mill. Well, it works the same way as a pocketing toolpath. I'll just do a save and copy. I'll change my tool. And under technology, I'll change it to rest. Just tell it what my previous tool is, save and calculate. And we have, again, a standard pocketing toolpath in rest option. So that 1/4 inch tool has gone in and finished that up. Now, what if we wanted to focus on just those red faces? Well, again, as a recognition toolpath, we have the ability to choose them. So I can add a color filter. I'll pick from the model what color I'm looking for. So in this case, I'll just grab that red as an example. Choose the solid again with the color filter on, and you can see it only highlights the red faces. As you can see, it only focused on the red faces. So that is useful if you have a part that has different tolerances for different faces, or you've color-coded it to assign different tools, and so forth. So pocket recognition is simply a step up from the regular pocketing toolpath, and it gives you the ability to get the software to recognize faces and colors for optimizing the toolpath. So it's a quicker way to choose all the pockets, and it's an alternative to some of the other 3D toolpaths available from SolidCAM. Any questions on this or anything else from SolidCAM? Just give us a call at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send us your parts and your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com, and stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.